Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's explore exciting twists, handy storage smart swaps and how to serve your tiramisu like a pro. Easy step-by-step tiramisu recipe anyone can make. Make the coffee dip, sweeten and spike it or keep it alcohol-free. Mix cooled espresso or strong coffee with a little sugar and a splash of vanilla. Add masala, rum, or coffee liqueur if you like. Or keep it alcohol-free. Taste it. It should be bold and slightly sweet. Chill it so the cookies do not fall apart during dipping. Pour the coffee mixture into a shallow dish. This makes dipping fast and even. Whip the mascarpone cream, classic, cooked, or egg-free methods. Classic method, beat egg yolks with sugar until thick and pale. Fold in mascarpone, then fold in softly whipped cream or whipped egg whites. Keep the air in the mixture for a light texture. Cooked method, whisk yolks and sugar over a pan of simmering water. Warm until thick and safe, then cool. Fold in mascarpone and softly whipped cream. You will get a smooth, stable filling. Egg-free method, beat mascarpone until smooth. Fold in lightly sweetened whipped cream. Add a tiny pinch of salt for balance. Tip, keep the mixture smooth. If it starts to split, fold in a spoon or two of cold cream. Work gently and stop as soon as it looks uniform. Dip, layer, and chill. How to get clean slices that hold. Dip each ladyfinger very fast, then lay them close together in a neat single layer. Spread half the cream evenly over the cookies. Repeat with a second layer of dipped ladyfingers and the rest of the cream. Level the top for a smooth finish. Cover and chill at least 4 hours. Overnight gives the best set and flavor. For clean slices, wipe your knife between cuts. Warm the blade in hot water and dry it before each slice. Dust cocoa right before serving. Make ahead tips, storage, and how long tiramisu lasts. Make tiramisu 1 day ahead for peak taste. Store it covered in the fridge for up to 3 days. Egg-free versions can be frozen for up to 1 month. Thaw in the fridge overnight and dust the cocoa after thawing. Do not freeze versions with raw eggs. Keep it cold during travel and serve it chilled. Variations, serving ideas, and troubleshooting for perfect tiramisu. Fun twists, chocolate, strawberry, matcha, and more. Chocolate lovers can add grated dark chocolate between layers. It melts slightly into the cream and tastes amazing. For strawberry or berry tiramisu, dip the cookies in light berry syrup and add sliced fresh berries between layers. For matcha, swap the cocoa dusting for matcha and add a touch of matcha to the cream. Nutella or mocha fans can swirl a little Nutella into the cream or add cocoa to the coffee dip for a mocha profile. How to plate tiramisu for parties, pans, cups, and mini jars. For family style, use an 8 or 9-inch square pan for easy slicing. For a fancy look, build it in a glass trifle dish so the layers show. For events or travel, assemble mini tiramisu cups or small jars. They are mess-free, easy to pack, and great for portion control. Mini jars also chill faster. Fix common mistakes, soggy cookies or runny cream. Soggy ladyfingers mean the coffee was hot or the dip took too long. Cool the coffee and dip faster, just a second or 2 per side. Runny cream comes from overmixing or warm ingredients. Chill the bowl, use cold cream, and fold in a little extra whipped cream to tighten it. If the taste is bitter, your coffee may be harsh or you use too much cocoa. Add a touch more sugar to the coffee dip and dust the cocoa lightly. Quick FAQs, freezing, decaf options, and alcohol swaps. Freezing works best for egg-free versions. Decaf is fine, use decaf, espresso or strong decaf coffee. For alcohol swaps, use vanilla, a drop of almond extract, or a splash of orange juice for lift without booze. Creamy layers, bold coffee, zero baking, and simple steps. This is the heart of tiramisu. Pick your path, classic yolks, cooked and safe, or egg-free, with or without alcohol. Chill it overnight for deep flavor and neat slices that cut clean. Make it this weekend, share a square with friends, and save this recipe for the holidays. Small tip for confidence: dip fast and keep everything cool so the set stays smooth and sturdy. Happy whisking and enjoy that first cocoa-dusted bite. Thanks for watching this part of the series. Your tiramisu journey doesn't stop here. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.